All right, next up, we're gonna learn how to compare fractions using a tape diagram. On their homework, I believe it asked them to compare two fractions using a number line and a tape diagram, so I wanted to give two examples. So we wanna compare 3/4 to 7/8 using a tape diagram. First thing I'm gonna do is draw a simulated piece of tape. Then since I'm comparing, I know I'm doing two of them, I'm gonna draw the exact same piece of tape and it connected. This piece of tape right here is gonna represent 3/4. This bottom piece of tape is gonna represent 7/8. First one, I break this piece of tape into 3/4. So I need to break it in 4 parts. I'm gonna break it in half first. I'm gonna break each half in half. I have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm gonna color in 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. This design represents 3/4. I now need to make 7/8. So I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna make my 4th. And I'm gonna cut each of these 4ths into 8ths. Well, each of these 4ths in half, which makes it 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 parts at the bottom. Then I'm gonna color in 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I didn't mean to color that little last piece in. All right. Make it look a little better. Now, I can easily tell which one's bigger and which we obviously see 7/8 is bigger than 3/4. To give you another example, just in case, and if you want to actually do this along with me, you can. Oh, I'm meant to do a different fraction. I'm sorry, y'all. For this side, we are going to do 1/3 versus 1/4. So again, I draw 2 pieces of tape. I connect the 2 pieces of tape to make sure they're even. That's not the best looking. Let's try it again. Make it look a little bit better, right? All right. I've split the first one. This is gonna be my 1/3. My next one is gonna be 1/4. I color them in so I can see which one has more space. This is 1/3. This is 1/4. And even though they're very close, based on my diagram, the 1/3 went out longer, so 1/3 would be bigger. This is how we compare fractions on the tape diagram.